Raisin 101, Types of raisins. Raisins are dried grapes that are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are known for their natural sweetness and are often used as a healthier alternative to candies and sugary snacks. Here's a detailed look at raisins. Nutritional benefits *, energy source, high in natural sugars, providing a quick energy boost. Fiber, aids in digestion and helps maintain bowel health. Antioxidants, contain antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and help prevent diseases. Iron, good source of iron, which is beneficial for preventing anemia. Calcium, contributes to bone health. Cons *, high sugar content. Raisins are high in sugar and calories, so they should be eaten in moderation. Potential allergies, some people may be allergic to sulfites used in the preservation of raisins. Known issues and fixes *, sticky texture, can be difficult to handle. Rinsing briefly under water can help reduce stickiness. Clumping, raisins often clump together in storage. Shaking the container or breaking them apart by hand can solve this. Advanced tips *, portion control, use pre-packaged boxes to manage intake and avoid overconsumption. Incorporation in diet, mix with nuts for a balanced snack or add to oatmeal and salads for a natural sweetener. Alternatives *, other dried fruits, apricots, dates, or figs can be used as alternatives, offering different nutritional profiles and flavors. Remember, while raisins offer health benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation due to their high sugar content.